Hello everyone, I am Usharani. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to explain the most important repeated problems from the coordinate geometry. In this first one is where do the points 0, -3 and -8, 0 lie on coordinate axis. Before start this problem, I want to give one advice to the 10th class students, especially 10th class students, those who are appearing for 10th class board exams. See, each and every students be concentrate. Please be concentrate on the formulas. By heart the formulas. Every day you have to spend 10 minutes time to learn the formulas. See, if you know the formula at least and concepts, if you know the formula, at least you can get some marks. Suppose if you don't know the full procedure of a particular sum, then no issue. Given data, next formula if you write and some calculation if you do also, you can get some marks. If you don't know the formula, you know the procedure but you are not getting that correct formula, then you will lose full marks. So what is the main important thing in this? Formula. Formula is very important. See, every day time, 10 minutes time only you spend time. 10 minutes is enough to by heart the formulas. From each and every chapter, just you have to write the formulas on a notebook. First chapter, any definition is there, write that definition, any concept. Next one is formulas, important formulas. Second chapter, again formulas. Third chapter, what are the definition, important definitions, just write down. Next formulas. Like that, prepare one notes for the all chapters. See, 14 chapters are there. From each and every chapter, first one, what is their real numbers, what are real numbers, just write that. After that, write the formulas. Any important theorems are there, those also just write down. Theorems you can leave, but formulas are very important. See, now if you know the formula, then easily you can get concepts also you have to learn. That is also very important. And one more thing, that board exams, especially that maths paper, in the part A and part B, in each and every subject also you will get like that only. In this part A, section 1, section 2 and section 3, 3 parts. So section 1, 1 mark, section 2, 2 marks question, section 3, 4 marks questions. 1 mark questions maximum they can give that indirect questions. Maximum you can expect like this. If you observe that previous year papers, then you can understand what type of questions they can give. So you can understand 4 mark questions maximum direct questions they will give. So concept is also very important. If you know the concept, then easily you can solve each and every sum. So that you have to remember. Why I explained this one? Before solving this question is like that, indirect question only, not a direct question. See here, where to the point, here 2 points are given, those 2 points lie on which coordinate axis, that is given. So this is the coordinate axis, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. And right side of the 0, this intersecting point you have to represent as O, or if whenever you are calculating numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. Point is O point values are 0, 0. On coordinate axis, each point value is 2 values, x value and y value. Then only will get the point. So here, right side of the 0 here, positive values, and left side of the 0, negative values. Above 0, positive values, and below 0, those are negative values. See here, 0x and this one x bar, y bar. Now you have to represent like this. Next here, what points are given here? 0, -3 and -8, 0 are given. 0, -3. First point is 0, -3. First value is always x coordinate value and second value is y coordinate value. X value is 0. That means this point lie on which axis? On y axis. So on y value equal how much? -3. That means here 0, -3. This is the point. Already x value is 0. For either x or y also 0 is this one only. So here just go down. Here you are getting the point 0, -3. 0, x value is 0 and next y value equal to minus 3. So the point 0 comma minus 3 lie on which coordinate axis? 0, y bar. Its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is negative. Minus 3, that is the negative value. Like that you have to represent the point. Write down like this, the point 0 comma minus 3 lie on which axis? 0, y bar. Now since its x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is negative. Is it clear? This is the concept. You should know about that. This is coordinate 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. So here positive this one and this one you are getting here. So 0, y bar. Next value is minus 8 comma 0. Minus 8 comma 0, the point minus 8 comma 0 lie on. Minus 8 means first value x. X negative value. That means left side of the 0 here. So minus 8 comma 0. Suppose if you assume the point value is minus 8 here. Minus 8 comma 0 here. That means this lie on which axis? Which coordinate axis? 0, x bar. So the point minus 8 comma 0 lie on 0, x bar. Next. Here its quadrant, x quadrant x coordinate value is negative and y coordinate value is 0. Y coordinate value is 0. This is the solution. Is it clear? Next question here. Find the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 3, 4, minus 7, minus 2 and 10, minus 5. This is the direct question. See, 3 vertices of a triangle are given. Use those vertices and you have to find out the centroid of the triangle. First write down that given data. What are given? The 3 vertices of a triangle are the 3 vertices of a triangle are 3, 4, minus 7, minus 2 and 10, minus 5. Next, what you have to find out? Centroid of the triangle equal how much? Centroid equal to centroid of the triangle. This we have to find out. This is the given data. You will get for this also half mark and 1 mark, depends on the total marks of the question. See in this. Now here centroid formula. Use the centroid formula. Centroid of the triangle equal to centroid equal, directly you can write x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula. See the given vertices, just you have to assume that here. Write down here mention x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. First represent like this, then easily you can substitute the values. Now substitute the values. X1 equal to 3, where X2 equal to minus 7, plus X3 plus X3 equal to 10. Whenever plus is in between the terms, then easily you can get, no issue. But whenever minus is there, then carefully write down. So directly divided by 3, comma, y1 equal to 4, plus y2 means minus 2. Plus of minus means you will get minus only. Due to that, I am not representing here plus into minus 2. Plus y3 equal to, here actually here you have to write like this. Plus of minus. Here also plus of minus. 4 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 5. This is the actual substitution. Now that equal to 3 minus 10 equal how much? Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 10. Minus 4 plus 10 divided by 3, comma 4 plus into minus minus 2 plus into minus minus 5 divided by 3. That equal to minus 4 plus 10 equal how much? 6. 6 by 3, comma 4 minus 2 equal to 2. 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3. Minus 3 by 3. 3 in this 2 times. Again 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. So the final answer equal to 2 comma minus 1. Yes, we got the answer. What you have to write down? Therefore, centroid of the triangle equal to this is the final answer. Just you have to write like this only, otherwise you cannot get full marks. Given data, next formula, next substitution, simplifications, last therefore and answer. This is the way of representing. So presentation is very important. So this is the way of presenting the answer. Is it clear? Next question in this. Show that the points A, B and C are collinear. 3 points are given. You have to show that those 3 points are collinear. Already mentioned those 3 points are collinear. When can you say those 3 points are collinear? If the area of the triangle is 0, then you can say that those 3 points are collinear. So area of the triangle, first write down given. This is given data. What are given here? 3 points are A, B and C. Those are the given points and already given. To show that the given points are collinear, what is the meaning here? That means the area of the triangle is 0. So what is the formula? Area of the triangle equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into, here 2 is there, remaining 3 and 1 you write down, y3 minus y1 plus here x1, here x2, next x3. 3 is there, 1 and 2 you have to write down, write in the order. So y1 minus y2. Is it clear? Can you remember easily? Right. x1 into half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Now here these 3 points just you have to represent here. x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. Represent like this. Now substitute the values in this formula. Half modulus, where x1 equal how much? 4 into y2 minus y3. y2 equal to 5 minus y3 equal to 7 plus x2 equal to 7 into y3 equal to 7 minus y1 equal how much? 2 plus x3 here, where x3 equal how much? 9 into y1 minus y2, where y1 equal to 2 minus y2 equal to 5. This is the substitution. Write the formula. Next substitute the values. Next simplification. Now half modulus 4 into 5. First you have to subtract, don't multiply, sorry. 5 minus 2 equal how much? Minus 2. So 4 into minus 2 plus 7 into, first simplify in bracket. So what are the terms are there in bracket, those you have to simplify. So 7 minus 2 equal to 5. 7 into 5 plus 9 into 2 minus 5 equal to minus 3. Simplifications. Now half modulus 4 2 ja 8. 1 minus is there. You also represent 1 minus minus 8 plus 7 5 ja 35 plus into minus 9 3 ja 27. Now half modulus minus 8 plus 35 or minus 8 minus 25, both minus symbols you have to add. So minus 35 plus 35, that equal minus 35 plus 35 equal how much? 0. Half into 0, that equal to 0. You showed? Is it correct? Yes. Therefore, the given 3 points are, you showed already. Why? Because we got it here, area of the triangle equal to 0. Therefore, the given 3 points are collinear. Is it clear? Like this, you have to present. Next question in this. Find the midpoint of the line segment formed by the points. These two are the given points. So now write down given points. Given points are minus 5 comma 5 and 5 comma minus 5. These two are the given points. What we have to find out? Here midpoint of the line segment. So this is the line segment A. Suppose let us assume A and T. So A point value is minus 5 comma 5 and this point is 5 comma minus 5. So midpoint is this one, you can assume as T. So given points are these two are the given points. So midpoint equal to, what is the formula? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Write the formula first. X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now here represent x1 y1, x2 y2. Now here substitute the values directly. X1 equal to minus 5 and x2 equal to plus 5 divided by 2 comma y1 equal to plus 5 and y2 equal to minus 5 divided by 2. Minus 5 plus 5 equal how much? 0. 0 by 2 comma here also 0 by 2. Where 0 by 2, 0, 0 by anything is also equal to 0. So 0 comma 0. Therefore, midpoint equal to 0 comma 0. This is the answer. Next question in this. Find the trisection points of the line segment joined by the points. These two are the points. Minus 3 comma 3 and 3 comma minus 3. Here we have to find out the trisection points. Trisection points, the line segment joined by 2 points. Here line segment is AB. AB is a line segment. Here we have to find out the trisection points. First, what is the meaning of trisection? Trisection is nothing but, tri is nothing but 3, section is nothing but parts. This line segment is divided into 3 equal parts. That is nothing but trisection. So, on this line segment, trisection points we have to find out. Trisection point, whenever it is divided into 3 parts, that means you have to mark it 2 points. Those two are, you have to assume that P and Q. Let P and Q be the points. These points are trisection of line segment AB. Whenever these 2 points you have to mark it on that line segment, then AP equal to PQ equal to QB. These 3 parts are equal. Now here P divides this line segment into which ratio? Here 1, 2, 3 parts. That means P divides the line segment into 1:2 ratio. So first you write down, therefore P divides the line segment or AB bar you can represent. P divides a line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. Then using the section formula, these 2 points values we have to find out, P value and Q value. So P value here, how can you find out means by using section formula. What is the section formula here? P of x comma y equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 is the formula. This is section formula. This is x coordinate value and this one is y coordinate value. Now substitute the values in this formula. Here A and B values, here you have to represent x1, y1, x2, y2. This is divided 1:2, so this one is m1 and this one is m2. Now substitute here, where m1 equal to 1 into x2 equal to 3 plus m2 equal to 2 into x1 equal to minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2 equal to 1 plus 2, comma m1 y2, where m1 equal to 1 into y2 equal to minus 3 plus m2 equal to 2 into y1 equal to 3 divided by 1 plus 2. Now here 3 1 just simplify now. This is the substitution. Next is simplification. 3 1 just 3 plus into minus, minus 2 3 just 6 divided by 1 plus 2 equal to 3, comma 1 into minus 3 plus 3 2 just 6 divided by 3. That equal to, just write down, 3 minus 6 equal to minus 3 by 3, comma minus 3 plus 6 equal to plus 3 divided by 3. Now 3 by 3 equal to 1. Here also 3 by 3 equal to 1. But here minus symbol is there. So write down minus 1 comma plus 1. P value, P point is P of xy equal to minus 1 comma 1. Here minus 1 comma 1. Just copy if you want this. Copy the question. P point we already got it, minus 1 comma plus 1. Now here, therefore Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio Q divides this line segment AB in which ratio? First we have to write down. Here how many parts are there? Q before 1 and 2 and after that 1 point. So this is 1 part. So Q divides which ratio? 2:1 ratio. AQ is to QB. P divides means AP is to PB. Now here in the ratio that equal to 2:1. Now by using section formula, Q of x comma y equal to m1, that equal to m1. Here these two are m1, m2. m1 is 2 into where x2 equal to 3 plus m2 equal to 1, m1 x2 plus m2 x1 is minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. This is the substitution values in the formula. Now simplify. 2 3 is 6 minus 3 1 is 3 divided by 3 comma minus 6 plus 3 divided by 3. 6 minus 3 equal how much? 3 by 3 comma here minus 3 by 3. Now simplify 1 here also 1. The value equal to 1 comma minus 1. Therefore, q of x comma y equal to 1 comma minus 1. Here q is another trisection point. P is one of the trisection point and q is another trisection points. So whenever like this asked means you have to use that section formula. It's very important. Question in this. If the slope of the line passing through the 2 points, those two are 2 comma 5 and 5 comma 8 is represented by tan theta. That theta value is always greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees in trigonometry. Then find the value of, find the angle theta. That means value of theta equal to how much? That is the question. If the slope of the line passing through these 2 points, that means we don't know the slope value. First we have to find out the slope. First write down the given thing here. Given 2 points are, these two are the given 2 points. Next what we have to find out? Slope we have to find out. Slope is nothing but tan theta, that equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula. Next what you have to do? Substitute the values. Substitution. We have y2 equal to 8 minus y1 equal to 5 divided by x2 equal to 5 minus x1 equal to 2. Next simplification. 8 minus 5 equal to 3 by 3, where 3 by 3 equal to 1. That means this value, what is that? Tan theta equal to 1. Whenever tan theta value equal to 1 means in trigonometry, theta equal to how many degrees? If we know the tabular form, then we can find out easily, where tan 45 equal to 1. That we should know about those values. So, therefore, theta equal to 45 degrees. This is the final answer. Therefore, theta equal to 45 degrees. This is the answer. This is the way of presentation. First thing, given data. Next, write the formula. Next, substitute the values. Next, simplification. Next, therefore, answer you have to write down. This is the way. Next question in this. If the distance between the 2 points 8 comma x and x comma 8 is 2 root 2 units, then find the value of x. This is the question. This question is related to distance formula and this is the indirect question. Actually 2 points they will give you and we have to find out the distance between those 2 points. But here distance between those 2 points value already is given, that is 2 root 2. In the points, one of the value is variable value, that is represented as here x is given, that x value we have to find out. This is the indirect question. Like those type of questions only maximum they can ask. See here, now here given data write down. These two are the given data. Distance given 2 points are, these two are the given points and the distance between them is 2 root 2 units. Those two values they have given, write down. Next use the distance formula, that equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here where distance equal to how much? 2 root 2, substitute the values and square root of where x2 equal how much? X minus x1 is 8, x minus 8 whole square plus y2 equal to 8 minus y1 is x whole square. Now here 2 root 2, this is the substitution. Next is simplification. See here, if you observe this one, this is x minus 8 whole square plus 8 minus x, both are same. So how many times x minus 8 whole square? 2 times. So square root of 2 into x minus 8 whole square, like that we can write. Now here 2 root 2 equal to, separate, just you have to write down in a separate way. Square root of 2 into x minus 8 whole square is nothing but root 2 and square root of x minus 8 whole square. Here square and square root will be cancelled. Here root 2 and here root 2 also. On both sides root 2 is a, you can cancel easily. How it can cancel means, this is in the multiplication form. Any symbol is not there in between these two values means, here also any symbol not there means the meaning is multiplication. Whenever this is in the multiplication, it goes to the other side, it will become division. So simply you can cancel the value. Where here x minus 2 equal to x minus 8, where x equal to, actually on the right hand side, both LHS equal to RHS. This simply you can write x minus 8 equal to 2. Don't confuse. LHS equal to RHS or RHS equal to LHS. Both are same. So x equal to 2 and minus 8 goes to other side, it will become positive. Therefore, x value equal how much? 10. This is the answer. Is it clear? Next question in this. If the points P, Q and R are collinear, 3 points are collinear, then and A plus B equal to 1. Find the values of A and B. Here these 3 points, if you observe, then in this P point constant values, but in the Q point values A and B unknown values are given. So you have to find out the values of A and B. Whenever 3 points are collinear means we know one of the thing. What is that? Area of the triangle is 0. So first write down the given data. So given 3 points are P of minus 3 comma 9 comma Q of A comma B and R 4 comma minus 5. So given 3 points are these 3 and these 3 PQ are collinear, already is given. PQR are collinear. These 3 points are collinear means area of the, it implies area of the triangle is 0. Area of the triangle is 0. So area of the triangle formula we have to write down. So area of the triangle equal to area of the triangle equal to, what is the formula? Half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula. Write down the formula. First given data, next write the formula. Now substitute the values. Here half modulus, where x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. Just represent like this. Now here x1 equal how much? Minus 3 into, just keep in the bracket, whenever minus value is there, just keep in the bracket, into y2 minus y3, where y2 equal to b minus y3 equal to 5, where y3 value is minus 5. So one more bracket you have to write. Next plus x2 equal, x2 means a into y3 minus, y3 is minus 5 minus y1 is 9. Plus x3 equal to 4 into y1 minus y2, that is 9 minus b. This is the substitution of the values. Now simplification. Half into minus 3 into b minus into minus plus, so b plus 5 plus a into minus 5 minus 9 equal how much? Minus 14 plus 4 into 9 minus b. Now simplify here, multiply half into minus 3 into b minus 3b plus into minus minus 3 5 ja 15. Here plus into minus minus a into 14, 14a plus 4a minus 4b. Now half modulus, here a terms, b terms and all separate you have to write down. A, how many are there? Minus 14a plus 4a. One is a minus, another one is a plus. If you simplify, subtract, so that equal to minus 10a and minus 4b minus 3b minus 7b minus 15 by 2. So here, if you here see now, if you take it as minus is a common, then 10a plus 7b plus 15. Modulus means minus, no need to consider, divided by 2. Next question in this, see here, if the points P minus 3, 9, Q, A, B and R points 4, minus 5 are collinear and A plus B equal to 1, then find the values of A and B. Here 3 points are given. Those 3 points are collinear, already mentioned. Collinear is nothing but area of the triangle equal to 0. Next, one of the point value is x coordinate and y coordinate, both are unknown values, variables are given, those in the form of A and B. And one more equation is given, A plus B equal to 1. Use this one also, we have to find out the values of A and B. So first write down the given data. Given 3 points are P, Q and R. Just write down and represent x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. And one more condition is given here. These 3 points are collinear points. P, Q, R collinear. Collinear is nothing but area of the triangle is 0. Where area of the triangle equal to half modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2, that is the formula. Now substitute the values in this, half into where x1 equal to minus 3 into y2 minus y3, b minus of minus 5. Next, where x2 equal to, x2 means a into y3 minus, y3 is minus 5 minus y1 equal how much? 9. Plus x3 equal to 4 into y1 is nothing, y1 is 9 minus y2 is b. Just substitute the values. Now simplification, here half modulus minus 3 into b, minus into minus is a plus 5 plus a into minus 5 minus 9 equal to minus 14 plus 4 into 9 minus b. This entire value equal, area of the triangle equal to how much? 0. That also just you have to replace it. Now here half modulus minus 3 into b, 3b plus into minus, minus 3 into 5, 15, 3 5 are 15 plus into minus, minus a into 14, 14a, here plus 4 9 are 36 minus 4. Now here half, just write down the order form, that is first a term minus 14a, next b term minus 3b minus 4b, that equal to minus 7b and minus 15 plus 36. Just these two simplify. 36 minus 15, 6 minus 5 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2 and 36 is positive, so you also take positive symbol. This one equal to 0. Now cross multiplication, then 2 into 0, entire thing equal to 0. So this value equal to, in this also one more thing you can do here. If you take it as minus as common in this, that means modulus of minus of 14a plus 7b minus 21, that equal to 0. LHS equal to RHS. So RHS equal to LHS, like that also you can write. So this entire value equal to 0. So modulus means minus, no need to consider, directly write down 14a plus 7b minus 21 equal to 0. If you simplify this one, 7 is divisible in all the number. So 2 7 are 2a plus 1b minus 3 equal to 0. It implies 2a plus b equal to 3. And one more equation here is given. Given thing is, one more equation is a plus b equal to 1. Use that equation also, we can find out that a and b values. So a plus b equal to 1 and another one is 2a plus b equal to 3. These two we got it already. So if you simplify, subtract these two, b and b. Whenever you are subtracting, entire symbols will be changed. So plus b minus b. cancel. A minus 2a, that equal to minus a, equal to 1 minus 3 equal to minus 2. Here minus and minus cancel, where a equal to 2. Now substitute this value in any other equation. A plus b equal to, substitute a. This one is equation number 1, this one is equation number 2. Value in equation number 1. Now a plus b equal to 1, that means 2 plus b equal to 1, where b equal to 1 minus 2, that equal to minus 1. Therefore a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Is it clear? Just copy this question. This is very important. Already given question. These are all already given questions. Next question in this. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the points 7 comma 1 and 3 comma 5. Here 3 points are given. If these 2 points are assumed as a and b. These 2 points are equidistant from the another point that you have to assume as a p. So here let a, b values you have to write down, and p is another point, those values x and y. Now here this point p is equidistant from a and b. Whenever that is equidistant from a and b, then pa equal to pb. Now by using distance formula, or directly you can write distance formula. Equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance between these 2 points. Distance formula is this one. Now therefore PA distance you have to find out, where PA equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. So AP distance. So x1 y1, x2 y2. Just here x2 y2. Now in this substitute, x minus 7 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, that equal to, first substitute like this and simplify. Here x square plus 49 minus, you know that, see this is in the form of a minus b whole square. This is also a minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus 2 7 14x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y. Now if you simplify, write in the order, x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 49 plus 1 equal to plus 50. This we got it. Now distance PB just you have to find out, where PB equal to square root of x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square. Now that equal to square root of x square plus 9 minus 6x. Again same, this is also in the form of a minus b whole square plus y square plus 25 minus 10x. A square y square plus b square plus 25 minus 2 5 is 10 into x. Here sorry, this value is y. Here y. So now therefore x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 25 plus 9 equal to 34. PA and PB values we got it, but here one of the condition is given, that equal to PA equal to PB. According to that, since already this condition is given, since PA equal to PB, now equate these two values first. Where PA equal to how much here? This is the PA value. Just write down square root of x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 50. equal to square root of x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34. Now simplification. How can you simplify? Whenever square root symbol is there, removal of the square root means one thing you have to do, that is by squaring on both sides. So squaring on both sides. Then simply you can remove the square root symbol. Squaring on both sides. That means square root of x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 50 whole square, that equal to square root of x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34 whole square. Now square and square root will be cancelled. Here also square and square root will be cancelled. Here x square plus y square minus 14x minus 2y plus 50 equal to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 10y plus 34. X square directly you can cancel. And plus y square you can cancel. Now here how can you cancel? Do you know? Whenever it comes to this side it will become minus. So x square minus x square plus y square minus y square, like that it will cancel. So directly you can cancel. Next write down all terms, write on one side. This one is minus 14x. This comes to this side, it will become positive. Or first you have to write down whatever remaining, minus 2y plus 50, and these are all write down plus 6. Whenever these are all it comes to this side, it will become, this one is plus and this is also plus, and it will become minus. That means all symbols will be changed. Plus 6x plus 10y minus 34 equal to 0. Now here minus 14x plus 6x, that equal how much? Minus 8x minus 2y plus 10y, that equal to plus 8y plus 50 minus 34 equal how much? Plus 16 equal to 0. Now here 8 is divisible in all the numbers. You can simply write down minus x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. That means 8 is divisible in all the terms. How many times? One time, and in these 2 times. So minus x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. And whenever if you take it as a common, minus, that means x minus y plus 2 goes to other side, it will become minus. Here minus I am taking as common, that is minus of x minus y equal to minus 2. Then you can cancel simply minus and minus, x minus y equal to 2, otherwise minus x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. Anyway you can say what is the relation between x and y, means x minus y equal to 2. This is the final answer. Therefore x minus y equal to 2. This is the answer. Last question in this, what do you mean by centroid of a triangle? What is centroid? That is the concurrent point of the medians of a triangle is called the centroid of the triangle. So what is the, suppose this is the triangle, medians if you draw like this, these medians all meeting at one point, that point we call it as, or conquered at one point, this we call it as a centroid. This is the centroid of the triangle is represented by G. The concurrent point, the medians of the triangle is called centroid of the triangle. This is very, very important. Next, from exercise number 1, 7.1, 7, 8, 10, like that 7.2 question numbers and 7.3 question numbers I have given here. And some more examples also are there, but I didn't give here. So concentrate on these sums. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.